Hey everyone, my vegan friends, my plant-based peeps. I got another great item that I've stuck with over the years. It's called Nature Box Sensitive Skin Lotion. It is made with 100% cold-pressed almond oil, and almond oil is so super good for you. Almond oil improves complexion and skin tone, treats dry skin, helps get rid of acne, helps reverse sun damage, reduces the appearance of scars, and even reduces the appearance of stretch marks. No wonder why I love this lotion. It's not super thick, and it doesn't feel over oily, and it seems to absorb pretty quickly too. No leftover greasy feeling, and it leaves a light, fresh, kind of a floral kind of scent. Let's see here. It says it is free of silicones, parabens, and artificial colorants. It contains 100% cold-pressed natural almond oil, and it is vegan. Says indulge in the luxury of a body lotion with 100% cold-pressed almond oil and the oxidant vitamin E. Your sensitive skin will feel moisturized and soft all day long. And plus, all the ingredients here are definitely vegan. The same scent also comes in a gel body wash as well. I will add a link below if you're interested. Very good product, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. Bye.